Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a power window in a Nissan Altima. First, let's diagnose the problem. Begin by checking the window switch. Does it feel normal or loose? Next, listen carefully for any motor sounds when you press the switch, as this can indicate a faulty motor or a broken regulator. Finally, locate your fuse box and inspect the fuse specifically for the power windows. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Once you've diagnosed the issue, the next step is to access the internal components. Start by carefully removing any visible screws, often found in the armrest or door handle. Then, gently pry off trim pieces, being mindful of hidden clips. Disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the door panel, such as those for the window switch or door lock. Finally, carefully lift and remove the entire door panel to expose the window mechanism. With the door panel removed, you can now inspect the window motor and regulator assembly. Look for any broken cables, bent tracks, or signs of corrosion. To confirm if the motor is faulty, you can test it directly by applying a 12-volt power source to its terminals. If the motor doesn't respond, it likely needs replacement. Carefully unbolt the old motor or regulator and install the new component, ensuring all mounting points align correctly. Once the new parts are installed, it's time for reassembly. Reconnect all electrical components, ensuring each connector clicks firmly into place. Carefully position the door panel back onto its clips, pressing firmly around the edges to secure it. Don't forget to replace any trim pieces and screws you removed earlier. Before you finish, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, test the Windows operation multiple times, moving it up and down completely to confirm the repair is successful and smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.